A walk through the McIntosh sugar mill Tabby ruins today. I took a quiet walk through the McIntosh sugar mill Tabby ruins, just north of St. Mary's, Georgia. Standing among the thick Tabby walls, I could almost hear the hum of activity that once filled this place nearly 200 years ago. Built in 1826 by John Houstoun McIntosh on his new Canaan Plantation, the mill was an impressive 120-foot by 75-foot structure with rooms dedicated to boiling, grinding, and curing sugar. Though the mill burned in the mid-1800s and was never rebuilt, its ruins remain the largest and best-preserved example of Tabby concrete architecture in the Southeast. These sturdy walls tell a story not only of sugar production, but also of the ingenuity and resilience of early plantation industry. Later renamed Bollingbrook under new owners, the plantation even adapted during the Civil War, turning the sugarhouse into a starch factory producing arrowroot. Today, the site sits quietly across from the Naval Submarine base Kings Bay, its weathered stone standing as a monument to history. Walking among the ruins, I felt both a reverence for the past and a reminder of how time reshapes all things. What was once a bustling sugar mill is now a peaceful spot to wander, reflect, and connect with Georgia's layered history.